So my name is Drew Taylor. I am a biomedical engineer that is specialized in stem cells and tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. So we actually worked on ways to find cells in our bodies that are more accessible than bone marrow, and then came upon the hair follicle and very high concentrations of mesenchymal stem cells, the same stem cells that we look for in our fat and in our bone. And we can access them non-invasively, essentially, by just plucking follicles from the back of the scalp. And so it was really exciting because now we have a way to offer to patients the opportunity to be able to collect those cells and cryopreserve them. And so A-West is one of the first practices that is actually offering the ability to derive value from those bank cells. Not only bank those cells for you, but actually receive benefit back from them. And that first wave is in the world of aesthetic medicine. It's using our own cells to grow them in the lab and collect high concentrations of our own growth factors, exosomes, polynucleotides, binding proteins, and matrix molecules like collagen, elastin, fibronectin, all the good ones, hyaluronic acid. We can pull that together, and unfortunately, as we go through life and these things get diminished or we lose the production in high volumes of them, we can actually reintroduce our very own proteins and our very own exosomes back into our skin. And so this is called a secretome. Secretome, the root word there is secretion. So the entire secreted product from the stem cells in our hair follicles can be collected and delivered back to us to make sure that we have all of these essential elements in adequate concentrations and high concentrations in our skin and in our hair. And we've been working with clinics, and we're very grateful to be working with A-West to be able to offer skin rejuvenation and hair regeneration using your very own biologically identical secretome delivered back to you, made on demand from your frozen follicles.